Dylan, what shape is this? It's a... Okay, let's write the word circle. Start with letter C. Then I, then dot. Good, then letter R. Next. Good. Then C. L. E. Good job. Very good. Next. How about this one? What shape is this?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Okay. Let's write the word rectangle. Start with letter R. Dylan, start with letter R. Next. E. Next. Letter E. Letter C. Next letter C. C, Dylan, C. Look at here. Let me help. Letter C. Then, next letter T. A. Letter A, Dylan. Start with a small circle. Then the line. Letter N. Next. Go on. Letter N. Excuse me. Look at here. Letter N. Go. Let me help you. Let me help. Letter N. Start here. N. Next, a curve line. Look at here. Go. Curve line. Then G. Start with a small circle. G. Go. G. Then a curve line here. Go. Until here. L. Then E. Very good. Next, Dylan, what shape is this? It's a? Again? It's a? Very good. Sige, let's write the word square. Start with letter S. Look at here. Start with letter S. Excuse me, let me help. Start with letter S. Then letter Q. Look at here. Start with a small circle. Look at here. A small circle. Q. Then line. A line. Straight line. Excuse me. Let's do it again. Look at here. Go. Start with a small circle. Then a line here. Straight line. Then a line here. Go. A line. Go on. Line. Dali. Next. Go. Letter A next. Next is letter A. Excuse me. Let's do it again. Look at here. Next is letter A. A. Then line. Good. Then R. Dylan. Letter R. Let's do it again. Go. R. Then curved line. Then E. Very good. Next. What shape is this? Very good. Sige. Let's start with the letter S. Let's do it again. Look at here. Go. Start with letter S. Then T. Next. Then letter A. Line. R. A curve line. line. Very good. Next, what shape is this?
Heart.
Okay, let's write the word heart. Go. Start with letter H. H. Next, a curved line. E. A. Next one. A. Then line. What about the line? The letter R. R. Go on. Letter R. Then T. Very good.